Today we will test the printing speed of the VEHO 1000 Pro high-speed 3D printer. Christmas is coming soon. Today we use this VEHO 1000 Pro high-speed printer to print a snowman with a bottom diameter of 530 and a height of 762. We set the printing speed to 200 mm and see how long it takes to finish printing. Printing in progress. Let's experience the actual printing speed. The printing is complete, and the final printing time for a snowman with a bottom diameter of 530 and a height of 762 is 22 hours, consuming 2482 Joule of. If you also have a need for high-speed printing of large-size models, why not try our VEHO 1000 Pro 3D printer? For more and larger high-speed 3D printers, you can come to our official store to view www.store.tronxy